Ready to unlock the power of USDT within the Solana ecosystem? First, ensure you have USDT in an exchange or wallet that supports sending to the Solana network, such as Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Navigate to your USDT balance and select the send or withdraw option. The wording may vary depending on the exchange. Now, open your Phantom wallet on your phone or browser extension. If you don't have it yet, download it from Phantom app and follow the setup instructions. At the bottom of your Phantom wallet, you will see a long string of numbers and letters. This is your Solana address. Tap on it to copy it to your clipboard. Return to your exchange and paste your Solana address into the recipient address or withdrawal address field. Double-check the address for accuracy to avoid losing your funds. This is crucial. Select the Solana Sol network for the transfer. Using the wrong network will result in a loss of your USDT. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send to your Phantom wallet, keeping in mind any withdrawal fees the exchange might charge. Then, confirm the transaction. The transfer might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once confirmed, you'll see your USDT balance reflected in your Phantom wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully sent USDT to your Phantom wallet, opening the door to Solana's DeFi ecosystem.